Alright, you two. You know what this important meeting is about? Like, do you guys know what I brought you here for?
No, we don't know why you brought us here, Dad. What's up?
Well, I brought you two here because, you know Chompy? The dog that's right next to you two? Well, last week, he peed over my throne and then pooped on it, and then he chewed up like a bunch of things that I really liked, and that's when we were gone. So obviously we need a dog watcher for him so he doesn't do all that stuff. So he's not really trained because he's evil, but Chompy is kind of not really a good dog, but I'm going to find a dog watcher for him so when we're gone and see if he takes good care of Chompy when we're gone. So I'm gonna call the guy up right now.
Okay, Dad. Oh, Chompy, I don't want to leave you again. I would rather stay home with you. Larry,
What, Junior?
I have a bad feeling about this.
Why? Chompy is pretty bad, and even though we take good care of him, it still doesn't matter. Right, Chompy? Why do I fall every time? Woof, woof.
Chompy, stop licking me.
Anyways, Larry, let's just go. Okay. Chompy, be a good boy, okay? Be a good boy. Woof, woof.
Okay, Mutt. I am gonna take over, or I got you a babysitter, or a dog watcher for you. So, be a good boy while Daddy's gone, and mostly everything. Be good for the dog watcher. Hey, come in.
Yes. What do you... So this is the dog then?
Yeah, he may be a chain chomp.
Yeah, I heard of him before.
So he kind of does like a normal dog does. So make sure to watch him very carefully. Don't make sure he doesn't do anything bad. Just keep your eye on him.
Okay. Somehow it's an easy job.
Yeah, but anyways, I'm leaving with my two sons, so see ya.
See you. Or see you later.
Okay. This is a chain chomp. Yeah.
I wonder what I could do with him.
Hey, where are you going?
Oh, what are you doing now?
Woof, woof. Gotcha. Woof, woof, woof. Got you down, mutt. Now I'm gonna put you somewhere where you're not gonna get out. Okay, this should hold him because I put him in this little cage here, which means he won't be out. Good. Now I can do whatever I want now.
Woof, 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 woof.
Okay, I was just doing stuff and... Wait a minute. Where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? Get out of the way. Get. Where did he go? Where did he go now? I was supposed to guard him. Oh no. Where has he gone now? Oh, where is he gone? Where has he gone? What are you doing up there? Get down right now. Woof, 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 woof. Oh no. I'll catch you. That really hurts. Ugh. It's not really that good with a full chain chomp, like, falling on me. I'm just bones, you know? Where is he gonna do now? I saw him went this way, so obviously where is he gonna do now? Woof, woof. Hey, don't... He did it. He peed. Darn it! Ah, stupid mutt! Why would you pee? Oh, you stupid mutt! Ah, you made me so mad. Woo, woo. Oh, you made me so mad, you stupid chain chomp. I trapped you in a cage, which I would have done, made it much more detailed, and then you peed all the way over there. Like, that's not good. They're gonna fire me. You stupid mutt. There, you made me so mad, I'm gonna bring you somewhere. There, you stupid mutt. Maybe we should deserve that instead, because I just trapped you in here now, so when your guardians come home, they'll see you in here, because obviously you peed right here, so obviously I put you in here so you know that you did not do it, because I'm gonna clean it up. Where's my cleaning supplies at? Woof, 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 woof.
20 minutes later.
Oh my gosh, Larry, I can't believe we came home after we, you know, went to get ice cream. Yeah, our dad is actually a pretty cool guy. He got so much money that we could get ice cream.
That was so exciting. Where is Chompy? Chompy, where are you?
Yeah, Chompy, where are you? Okay, kids, calm down. Chompy's probably around here somewhere. So, your dog is pretty much fine. Okay, good. And, are you gonna give me a paycheck? Well, no, because obviously I don't want to give money to some people because I spend it all on ice cream. Seriously? Ice cream? It's just ice cream. It probably costs like $1. Well, it costs $1,000 to get the whole ice cream shop. You bought a whole ice cream shop? Yeah. I can't believe you, man. I'm just gonna leave. Okay, then. Okay, where are you, Chompy? Come here, boy. Come here, Chompy. Where is that mud at? Woof, woof, woof. Hey, son.
Yeah, Dad?
Have you seen Chompy?
No, I've never seen him.
Wondering where he is.
I'm just gonna play the Switch.
Okay, you can do that, son. Where is he? Like, every single time I do not... Oh my goodness. So, the dog watcher actually puts him in this cage here. It's not really a cage, but... He put him in here so he doesn't get troubled. Gosh, would I get back at him, I swear to gosh. But, anyways, at least Chompy did not do anything wrong, so... Chompy, you're staying in there for tonight, so you don't do any trouble.